Driving technology continues to evolve, bringing unprecedented convenience and safety features to motorists worldwide. Among the latest innovations is the 4K UHD to 16OP Carplay Android Auto Dashcam Stream Rearview Mirror GPS Navi 5G Wi-Fi Car DVR Video Camera Recorder, available on Aliexpress. This cutting-edge device combines the power of advanced 4K resolution with seamless integration of CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities, promising a transformative driving experience. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its seamless compatibility with CarPlay and Android Auto. By leveraging wireless connections via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, drivers can effortlessly access GPS navigation, make hands-free calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, and utilize voice assistants like Siri or Google. This integration not only enhances convenience but also prioritizes safety by minimizing distractions and allowing drivers to keep their focus on the road ahead. Equipped to handle diverse driving scenarios, the dashcam supports simultaneous one-to-one display of front and rear cameras. This dual camera setup provides comprehensive coverage, ensuring that both the front view and rear view are captured simultaneously. Whether you're maneuvering through tight city streets or parking in crowded lots, you have a clear view of your surroundings, enhancing situational awareness and safety. Designed for ease of use, the dashcam features a streamlined interface that simplifies navigation and operation. The adoption of CarPlay and Android Auto ensures familiarity for users accustomed to these platforms, while the intuitive controls and responsive touchscreen enhance usability even while on the move.